Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove the minimum purchase limit on the Temu app so you can place your orders with no restrictions. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the U icon at the bottom of the screen. Once inside, tap on the support icon at the top right of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Contact Us at the bottom. Now in the chat box, type the following message. Remove checkout limit. Temo will show you two options. Select No, I still want to remove the order limit. Next, tap on Remove the restriction. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, you'll get a message saying your order restriction has been lifted. Now you can proceed to check out even if your order total is lower than the original minimum limit. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Temo minimum purchase limit. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.